7 of the 12 Days of Christmas. Santa Sharp is back at you with another episode, and in today's contest, you have the opportunity to win one of our Beginner Sharpening Kits. These are a super popular product here at the shop, and for good reason. You get a wide variety of products and pretty much everything you would need to get started on your sharpening journey. Included is a double-sided stone, 1000 grit, 6000 grit. Comes with this little Nagara stone, which is meant to be used to draw the steel out of the stone as it gets kind of plugged up. You've got this Naniwa truing stone here as well. Super, super important. If you're gonna get a whetstone, we highly recommend, if not say, it's almost like should be mandatory to buy a flattening tool along with it, because if you do not maintain a flat stone, you're not gonna be getting consistent results when you're sharpening. So super, super important is that truing stone. And then finally, you've got a leather strop here, which is just going to bring your sharpening to the next level. I would love to see you all shaving your arm hairs one day with your knives, and the strop's going to help you get there. So in order to win today's giveaway, you need to do 4 things for us. You need to be subscribed to our channel. You need to like this video. You need to share this video with friends and family, and then you need to let us know what you kind of struggle with your sharpening. We would love to make a video helping you out with whatever you're struggling with. So let us now know down below in your sharpening journey what has been sort of the most difficult thing to learn, or the most most difficult sort of technique you've been trying to learn with sharpening. Maybe it's like you have a tough time sharpening the tip of your knife. Maybe you're just not quite getting it sharp like you thought you would. Maybe you're having a tough time identifying the burr. Whatever it is, let us know down below what you find the most difficult about sharpening, and we'll make a video and hope that it helps you get a little bit better at sharpening. So there you have it, guys. We're giving away 3 of these sharpening packages. Again, do those 4 things to enter into today's giveaway, and you'll have a chance to win. Thanks so much for watching. Stay sharp.